Greetings, colleagues. I'm reaching out to bring to your attention an important issue concerning payment reform and asking for your engagement. We have declared Friday, November 2nd, Arthroplasty Unity Day. At the annual meeting, if you are present in person or virtually, we ask that you stand together and write Congress urging them to pass H.R. 2474, the Strengthening Medicare Patients and Providers Act, as a first step to avert proposed Medicare cuts to the physician fee schedule and to adjust payments to an inflation-adjusted index. We have put together a one-pager for you regarding this topic, along with a written letter to your respective congressional members that you can easily access with a QR code. In addition, we will provide you with a postcard with this information that you can share with your patients so they can assist with this initiative. The time for action is now. The professional fee for Medicare hip and knee arthroplasty surgeries has been reduced 65% over the past 30 years. This is not sustainable for surgeons and will lead to decreased access to quality care. Thank you for your involvement on Unity Day, and I look forward to seeing you at the annual meeting.